To define a successful marketing strategy, not only you need to understand your customers, but you need to also have a clear idea of how your product or service fits into the competitive environment. First of all, you need to identify your competitors. You should consider both your direct competitors and your indirect competitors. Direct competitors are your primary foes. For an airline, for example, let's say for British Airways, a direct competitor could be another airline, obviously. However, sometimes the most dangerous competitors are the indirect ones. These guys compete with you for market share, but they do so with a different product configuration or sometimes with a completely different product. Can you imagine what company launched a service that many see as a substitute product to air travel? The answer is Skype. It might sound surprising, but many people who used to fly to other countries for business meetings now can simply use Skype for conference calls. This example shows that you must carefully examine the market to identify every possible source of competition. But after that, you need to understand how you can get a competitive advantage and capture a share of your competitor's business. Generally, there are two types of competitive advantage: cost advantage and differentiation advantage. In the first case, that is cost advantage, your product offers the same value as that of your competitors, but you charge a lower price. In the case of differentiation advantage, you want to be different with respect to your competitors. You deliver something that is unique. Maybe your product is made of higher quality materials, maybe you employ a special technology to manufacture your product, or maybe you offer a series of complementary services that make your offering different from anything else that is on the market. Now, many people who want to start a blog or an online business struggle to find something that is original, as they feel that all good ideas are taken. The truth is that whatever topic you want to talk about in your blog, in your ebook, or anything like that, you can talk about it in a different way than anyone else does. Because remember, you already have something unique, that is you. So as long as you let your personality emerge, your product will necessarily be different. What you have to work on, and what I'm sure this course will help you with, is understanding how to communicate to your customers that your product is unique. We will discuss this in more details in our next lecture.